Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? We are in my beauty studio. So anytime you see this background, that means we're gonna do the content relate to beauty. That's either be skincare or beauty product. So today we are going to unbox. You ready? Hold please. It's huge. We're gonna unbox this. I just got this now. I'm so excited about this. This box is bigger than me, I swear. And we're gonna open that and see what I ordered from Jeffree Star, the Blood Money collection. So I want to show you guys, this box is like a humongous. When you open it, it has an amazing photo shoot for Jeffree Star for his Blood Money collection campaign. And the back of this is the eyeshadow, okay? And this filled with the money. I love this. You know what? Jeffree Star is my goal, I swear. One day I want my name printed on the $100 bill, just like him. So right now here, there's a 4 item that I ordered, and let me just kind of go through one by one, share with you guys what I found. Okay, I'm gonna put a box right here. Okay, first one I ordered is the what do you call this? A bum bag. Look at this. This is really pretty though. I always want to buy this from Louis Vuitton. But I'm not I don't know, I don't think I would look good in this type of bag. So I didn't want to spend that kind of money. So I just thought, well, let's Jeffree Star have one. Why don't I just try one right now? So let me show you guys this. Wow, this is really cute. So inside lining has Jeffree Star's logo. And then there is a lining zipper right here. So you can put, oh, sorry guys. This is hard. So there's a zipper inside. Everything is green inside. And then if you look at outside, has a Jeffree Star's logo. And of course this is the not fold. This is the fake one, you know, it's not a real letter. So, and then back here, there's a back zipper right here. So you can put stuff in here. It's pretty roomy though. Let's just try this on me right now, see how this will look. I think I need to make it a little bit longer. Okay. Oh, this is kind of cute. You know what? It fits really nice though. I like it. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Alright, the next item I ordered is the mirror. I'm really into Jeffree Star's mirror now. I have 2 already. This is the Halloween and this is the last collection. Cremation, I think that's the one. It's really pretty. Whoa, this is really cool. Take a look. Ah. Wow. So I'm going to give you an idea. It's about the same size, but the mirror itself is much more bigger. You can see that. Okay, I like it. Very pretty. Yay! You know what he need to do? He need to make this with auto stand so we don't have to hold it. I'm pretty sure that a lot of people give me feedback. He may make one that just it can stand by itself. Because come on, like when we do makeup, it's really hard to hold the mirror or do makeup, you know. But you can do that. This thing that he do all the time. So the next item I ordered is the makeup. Obviously, you have to order the makeup. Ta-da! It's a mini velour liquid lipstick. There's also 16, 8. I only count in Chinese, by the way. There's 8 different colors in here. I love the box. It's a magnetic box. It's really pretty. It says money honey. So this is it. Let me get close to show you guys this. There's 8 different colors. They are really pretty, although they are very small. Let me see if we want to do swatch, but let me open the eyeshadow first because if I don't, it's gonna get everywhere on my hand, and then my room is all white. I don't want to get all dirty. But there's this is the velour mini lipstick right here. I know a lot of people collect this item, so it's pretty exciting. And then this one, I think is the most anticipated item. It's the Blood Money eyeshadow. Oh my god. So you can see on the top, I started collecting his makeup. I think it's really pretty, the packaging, the blue diamond, the blood diamond. And then now there's the green money. Oh my goodness, look at this. This box, it's very heavy. I think it's probably about 4 pounds or 3 pounds. I should get a measurement out, but just see. So you open it like this. And obviously you guys saw his video, and there's a lot of bloggers already blogging about the makeup. But I just want to let you know, this is very substantial. It's very heavy. Let me tell you, it is all about the packaging though. Look at, this is just like Louis Vuitton soft the trunk basically. Has the corner edge plate right here. The zipper, not zipper, the click to open. Wow, it is very, very pretty. Let me show you guys a little closer. Look at all these colors. So honestly, for the price that you're paying, for the packaging, the amount of the eyeshadow, and the quality, it's really not bad at all. I see a lot of makeup company, they make more cheap stuff, cost more money. How many colors in here? Let me count. There's 18 different colors, and each color you can see is pretty large. It's probably about 1 inches, roughly, quarter to quarter. Okay, so there's a lot of color. So I don't want to make this video longer than really is. So I'm gonna just swatch a couple color that I think that's really pretty, and I will definitely do a little makeup on myself to try it, to show you guys. So one of the color that really interests me is the Secret Stash. Is this color right here. So we're gonna just put this right here a little bit. Oh wow. Very velvety when you touch the eyeshadow colors. Very, very velvety. It has a very unique color though. It seems like there's a different layer of a color in here. So I like that. Oh, let's try this Emerald Estate. There's a green color right here. So let's try that. Okay, the one with a more glitter, it does has a little granular feel on the eyeshadow surface, but still pretty good. You know, as I'm putting this on my arms, wrist, I definitely see there's a different layer tone in each colors. So that's pretty nice. It's not a flat color, if you know what I mean. The third one I definitely want to try is a Money. What is this called? Money His? This colors. Okay, so I want to try this color right here. And I would definitely do more swatch on my Instagram, Skin by Steve Jan. I'll put a link below so you can take a look. Wow. It's kind of like, you know, not just iridescent, has a little, what do you call this? Kind of like a halo tone to it, like change the color on different lighting. So far this 3 colors really pretty. Okay, let's try the Velvet Lipstick then. Okay, I try to save time, so I don't want to hit a swatch on my wrist. I want to show you the colors. Okay, so this color are very rich, except the first one, the greenish color. That is this color right here. I don't know, would you wear this color? I want to hear that. I mean, as you guys know that I'm not this typical beauty makeup blogger, so I don't wear heavy duty makeup. But this color, they are very vibrant. It's like a, to me, it's almost like an eyeshadow colors. So I'm kind of interested to see that, would you be wearing this color? I almost feel like I made a mistake. I should have bought the lip gloss because I do love his lip gloss though. Wow, that's really, really cool. I actually can't wait to play the makeup on me. As far as the lipstick color, I honestly don't know. This is kind of a little bit too much for me. Leave the comment below and let me know if you want to see me wearing this full-on makeup, right? Maybe I'll get a green color wigs, who knows. Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my today's unboxing video with Jeffree Star Makeup, the Blood Money. It's very, very cool, very exciting. I can't wait to add that on the background, on the top. And so thank you so much for all your support on my social media. It means a lot to me. And then I will be doing a really big giveaway on my Instagram, Skin by Steve Jen shortly after this video release, and we will be giving away some Jeffree Star makeup. So definitely go there and check it out. How you gonna get that for free, okay? Alright, so once again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys very soon. Happy holiday everyone, and please be safe. Bye!